welcome back. Today we're making some Christmas bark. It's gonna be really delicious and it's super easy and simple, so you can whip it up in a flash for the holiday season. So, let's get baking. To begin, we're going to melt 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips over a double broiler on high heat. And a double broiler, you could just get a oven or microwave safe bowl and put it over a pot of boiling water, and that would work just as well. And then we're going to flavor this with half a teaspoon of peppermint extract. Now we're going to line a sheet pan with parchment paper, and we are going to pour our chocolate in this, and I would suggest starting in the center. We're going to spread the chocolate evenly over the parchment paper with a offset spatula or whatever else you can find to spread it. And then we're going to refrigerate or freeze this until it's set. Now we're going to melt 12 ounces of white chocolate chips in the same double broiler and stir it constantly until it's melted. And then we will crush up 8 candy canes and just kind of lightly tap them with a mallet or something that you have so they don't go flying everywhere. Now you're going to pour the white chocolate over the semi-sweet chocolate and spread it evenly, and you want to work fast so that the cold semi-sweet chocolate doesn't make the white chocolate firm. And then you'll sprinkle the crushed candy cane over the white chocolate before it gets cold. Then you'll freeze before breaking and serving. So here's the final product. It's some really cool Christmas bark, and it broke into like really cool random pieces. So let's take a bite. It's really good. The candy canes give it a nice crunch, and the dark chocolate and the white chocolate is really good together. But that's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy holidays!
Yeah, do it with your right hand.
I am, even though it's extremely difficult and this is a form of torture.
Keep it center of your foot. You are a traitor to the mother. What are you doing?
I'm filming because you are useless. I wish you guys could see how goofy the director is. You can't see him, and you can see him in the shot. It's funny. Christmas.